For Capricorn, the pain point, as discussed before, is a shattered worldview causing rigidness and fear. So the ideal model here could be the architect of the bridge. This archetype, the architect of the bridge, specializes in building structures that connect the heavenly world of spiritual truth with the earthly world of material reality. They welcome the demolition of old, faulty belief structure because it allows them to engineer a new one with superior integrity, wisdom, and practicality. And the way to ground this is to identify one core belief that has been shaken during the month. Research it, study different philosophical and practical approaches, and begin to deliberately design a new, more sophisticated belief to replace the old one and build it like an architect, one beam at a time.